Determining the specific requirements and necessary equipment for monitoring and measuring activities is a crucial aspect of ensuring product and service compliance with specified requirements. This topic will be explored in greater depth later in this course, particularly concerning the determination of requirements, criteria, and the frequency of monitoring and measuring activities. According to Section 7.1.5 of the ISO standards, organizations are mandated to provide adequate resources for monitoring and measuring activities. These resources must be appropriate for the types of activities being conducted, and must be maintained to ensure their effectiveness and suitability for their intended purpose. So, what are the exact requirements? Essentially, organizations must ensure they possess the correct monitoring and measurement resources that are appropriate for the tasks at hand. For instance, if weight measurements are necessary, the organization must have scales that are capable of measuring the size and type of product, as well as displaying the required increments accurately. In machining processes, the question arises whether the organization has the necessary instruments to measure material thicknesses or tolerances accurately. If temperature measurement is crucial, the organization must have devices capable of reading temperatures to the required precision. To maintain the suitability of these monitoring and measurement resources, organizations need to implement processes for their maintenance, ensuring they continuously provide accurate results to meet requirements. This includes establishing maintenance and calibration schedules, and conducting inspections to verify that the resources are performing as expected, thereby ensuring they are fit for purpose. ISO 9001 further stipulates that organizations must keep documented evidence of the suitability of monitoring and measuring resources to demonstrate compliance with the standard. This documentation is crucial not only for compliance but also for maintaining control and confidence in the monitoring and measurement processes. The importance of determining measurement traceability requirements cannot be overstated, whether for organizational, customer, industry, or regulatory standards. Effective management processes for measurement traceability are essential to ensure that measurement results are accurate and valid. Traceability provides not just evidence of compliance with standards or regulatory requirements, but also serves to identify any potentially compromised measurement results due to faulty or inaccurate measuring devices. Organizations must have processes to identify and rectify any issues when the validity of previous measurement results is questioned. For example, if a calibrated measuring tool is found to be damaged, organizations must have a traceability process to identify any potentially affected products or processes and take corrective actions. This traceability is vital for assessing and rectifying any errors in measurements. Common practices for ensuring the validity of measurement results include calibration, or verification of measuring devices against applicable standards. In the absence of a specific standard, the basis for calibration or verification must be documented. For instance, in the United States and Canada, the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, provides national standards for measures. However, calibration alone does not establish traceability. Documentation and record-keeping of calibration activities, and the usage of calibrated devices are essential for maintaining measurement traceability. Identifying and marking calibration status on measuring tools facilitates the easy identification of their calibration status at the time of use. Once calibrated, monitoring and measuring equipment must be protected from unauthorized adjustments and safeguarded against damage and deterioration. Processes must be in place for the proper storage and care of measuring equipment to prevent any compromise to measurement results. In summary, ensuring the suitability, maintenance, and traceability of monitoring and measuring resources is fundamental to verifying product and service conformity with requirements. Organizations must establish comprehensive processes for resource management, calibration, and documentation to maintain high standards of quality and compliance.